Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another holiday glam, but this one is going to be more of a bold glam. Last time I did an easy glam, very simple glam. If you haven't watched that yet, it's down below. So let's jump into this tutorial and let's get this bold glam going. So first we're going to start with priming our eyelids. From my last video, you guys know I like to prime my eyelids and do my eyes before I do the rest of my face. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and prime with the Louise Base, and this is a number 2. And if I don't mention all the brushes that I use, they will be listed down below. Sometimes I forget to mention them, but right now I'm using the Sigma and Beauty Bird collaboration brush, and it comes from the Dream palette, so I'm going to be using this side of the brush, and I'm going to be applying this base on my eyes. And I know a lot of people recommend not to set this base, but I'm going to try and setting it today and see how it turns out. I have very oily eyelids, so eventually like the eyeshadow starts looking like shiny because oil is starting to peek through. So I am going to set it. I'm going to be using the Frenchy color right here in the Dream palette with from Beauty Bird and in the collaboration with Sigma. I can't say that word, collaboration. And I'm gonna just do that in this big fluffy e.l.f. brush. Alright, so today we're gonna be using the Jacklyn Hill palette. We're gonna go in with, so I have the original palette, so I don't have the names here, or it's not in the back either. So I'm just gonna be pointing you guys the shades, and yeah. Alrighty, so we're gonna go in with this third color right here, and we're going to put that in our crease. And a little bit above the crease too. This is going to be our transition color, so just make sure that we get that lid. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with a more precise brush, and this is by Morphe, and this came in a vegan set that I ordered a couple of years back. That's how it looks. And we are going to jump into, let's do this green right here. Actually, before I jump into that, I'm gonna go in one more shade darker with the transition shade, and we're gonna do this color right here. Perfect. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go in with that green that I was talking about earlier. It's like a bold green. Very lightly. at the end right here. I'm going to be using a smaller brush from my BoxyCharm box for this month. Now in the inner corner, we're going to actually go in with this green right here. It's like a shimmery green. And we're going to do that in a packing brush. Also from Morphe, from that vegan brush set. I feel like the center is missing a little something, so we are going to go in with, I want a little pop of color, so maybe I'll go in with this teal color right here. Alright, so now we're gonna go on to the face, and I'm just gonna take this out since we're focusing more on the face, on the eyes and on the lips. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go and focus on the lower lashes, and basically we're just gonna be taking the two transitions colors that we used and a little bit of that dark green and just buff it out. And we're gonna do this with a very precise brush. We're gonna use this one from Morphe. We're going to put a little bit of highlight in our inner corner, and we are going to be using the highlighter from Maybelline, and this is a Mascarra in 250. And today we're going to be using the Essence Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara. And I'm gonna actually add a little bit of eyeliner, and this is by Jante Blue, and it's a glitter eyeliner, and this came in my November BoxyCharm. And I'm putting that in my waterline. Now for the lips. So we're gonna do a very simple lip since we already have bold eyes, and we're just gonna go in with this Buxom Wiley Whip Soft Matte Lip Color, and this is in color Devious Dolly. And so it looks like this, and the wand looks like this. Alrighty, so this is how this look came out.